Hey guys, it's just a normal day patrolling, and yeah, I guess nothing to do. So, guess we'll just wait for a call. Hello, sir. Yes. What's the call and where? Where's the call and what is it? Do you have any locations? It just said dot dot dot. Do you have any locations? At the housing. Okay. Well, is it a code? What code is it? Code 3? And someone said, oh. And it must be like a murder sort of thing. All right, what code is it? Cause we better get going. What code? Okay. Well, we better get going. I guess code 3. I got some nice light. All right, code 3. Go. Oh, it's a code 3. I can run this. Yeah. All right, I'm going to the suburbs. Keep going silent too much. I need to talk. Said in the suburbs, so I guess we'll look around there. Oh shoot! Dang! I guess we'll just go rear. I'm gonna go off in case that guy is around. Oh, whoa. Guess we'll just have to look for him. I got some nice red lights. Well, it's nighttime, so well, it's not nighttime yet. I've been looking around the neighborhood, some can't find anyone. Oh, it's turning night. He should be coming around anytime soon. Oh, guess I better turn these off. I'll just hide in these bushes somewhere and wait. Whew. No. Oh, no. Catch up with you guys when you see. Alright, guys, I haven't seen anything yet. I'm just still looking. Oh, that's a car right there. He looks suspicious. I'm gonna follow him. What is he? Oh, shoot! Who is that? Who is that? Sir? 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 Oh, shoot! That looks scary. I'm gonna back up. Dot, 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 dot. Where is he going? Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm turning my lights on. Oh, this guy better pull over. Oh, he just ran the stop sign. This guy. This kid isn't getting. Oh, shoot, I turned too much. Oh, where did he go? Is he over here? There he is. Dude, you better pull over. Pull over. Guys, I lost him. I can't find him. Well, guess we better find him quick. Can't find him. Sheesh. Where would if I were this black guy with a black suit, where would I be? Oh, I see him. I see him. He's up here. He's up here. Pull over. Sir, get out of your car now. Do not move. Oh, it's empty. This is someone's house. Is this his house? It's empty. Where is he? Dude, get to the ground. Get to the ground. Get to the ground. You're untaserable. Is that even? Oh shoot, I'm stuck. Where is he? Oh, he's outside. I better go. Where is he? Dude, who are you? No, I'm not gonna let you go. I don't care about questions. You're going to jail. Screw you. You're going to jail. No questions. Dude, why would you murder someone? And why were you running? And why you're a black suit with a weird... Why should I? You're just this crazy man. You're just this crazy man dressed up in a suit. Yes, you are. Then who are you? I don't have kind. What if I told you that? Alright. Um, this person is crazy. What do you mean, ah? You know what this place is. Dude, this turned into a good day, and I was just crazy. Oh, shoot. He broke out of the cuffs. Oh, shoot. I need to get my, this kid is walking slow if he broke. Alright. Bye, sir. Well, guys, that was a crazy day. See you next time.